Okay, we're going to make simmered greens and cornmeal dumplings. This is a southern dish. I found the recipe for an old gourmet many years ago. You start out with a pot of water with a little bit of salt and pepper. They call for 2.5 teaspoons of salt, but that's a lot, so I don't usually put that much in, and a teaspoon maybe of pepper. And here are the greens. These are shard greens. I'm going to pop these little fellas in here. And they will start to simmer. I've got a wood stove that I cook over when it's winter. And there they are. Those down there. Okay. And then over here I've got some bacon. I'm going to put that in. And some of the grease for flavor. Okay. Now we're going to simmer that for at least a half hour or so and get those greens tender. And then while we're doing that, while it's sitting there uncovered, come over here and we're going to make some dumplings. And what you need is a whisk and a little gadget to cut the butter into it, and a bowl. And then you need 1/3 of a cup of corn flour, 2/3 of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a dib-dab of butter there, it's about a tablespoon, and half a cup of milk. So we're going to pop these in here. And then we're going to whisk that up. Just like that. Okay. Once that's together, we're going to put that tab of butter in. And then we're going to take this little cutter gadget and smash up the butter into this bowl. Sometimes the butter doesn't want to come off with a little cutter gadget, so you got to encourage it. And then once you've got that all cut together, cut in the butter. Take the milk and pop that in. It's a half a cup of milk. Okay. Then you're just gonna mix that up, stir it in, and when those greens have simmered for a half hour or so, then you're going to take this, roll it up into a ball, or several balls, and just gently put it in with the greens. And then cover it up, put a top on it, simmer it for another half hour at least, and let the dumplings rise. And after that's ready, and it's pretty simple. Take you maybe an hour and 15 minutes to do the whole thing. It's best to put everything out, so that you know what you got and how much you need, and all measured out so it goes very quickly. And then you're ready to enjoy simmered greens with cornmeal dumplings.